Yo, Londraaa, what we gonna do today? Today, guys, we're gonna learn how to make this look. Your girl Londraa's here again with the makeup video, so obviously y'all want to learn a little something. Nah, but anyways, if you want to know how I made this look, because I'm feeling it, not even gonna lie, but it is giving me like Harley Quinn vibes / Chola vibes. Is it because of the I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. Like, what do you see here? What do you see me be as? Like, my Chola right here? Or Harley Quinn? How do I fucking pose like her? I don't know. Or just, hey, it's red, white, and blue. It's 4th of July. Maybe it's a 4th of July look. I don't know. But either way, if you want to know how I made this look or what products I used, then just keep watching, because you know what to do. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with the moisturizer, something to give me a glow. So I'm using the MAC strobe cream in Peach Light, and I'm just applying this all over my face to moisturize. And I already had some earlier because I fucked up on the recording, so I'm just applying a little more spots where I think I might be a little dry, especially in the center. Okay, now I'm going in with the primer, and I'm using the professional primer right here, and I'm applying this all over my T-zone. Well, over my nose and forehead, all those places where I want it a little more smooth, you know. Gotta get that forehead. Okay, now that I have my primer, I am going in with my foundations, and I'm mixing these two right here, the MAC Studio Face and Body Foundation, because I'm a little more tanner, so I need, you know, to add a little more darkness to my foundation, or make my foundation a little darker. And I'm using the Frankie Rose Matte Perfection Foundation, and I'm just gonna mix both of these. And now I'm going to blend all this shit on my face with my brush right here. And then I'm going in with the sponge to make it all blended. And yeah. Ladies, don't forget, or people, don't forget to put chapstick on your lips, because they can look crusty as fuck. So don't play yourselves like I play myself sometimes. Chapstick it up. No. Okay. Well, now I'm going in with some concealer, and I'm using both of these right here. I'm using the Pro Concealer LA Girl one in the shade Light Ivory GC 970, and then I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. You can't even see the letters on it. That's how long I've had it, and that's how much I use it. So I'm just gonna conceal and shit. And I like this one because it's more orangey, so it'll cover up my dark circles. And then I'm layering this one on top to brighten it up. And now we blend. Blend that shit, ladies. Probably get tired of hearing this, but that's what you gotta do. Okay. Now I'm going in with the Huda Beauty banana bread baking powder. And I'm going to put that everywhere where I put my concealer. Whoo! Okay, that powder's in there. Okay, well, whatever. We're gonna let that semi-bake. It's not like it's fucking covered in powder. So, whatever. Now I'm gonna really quick contour my face and then I'm gonna save my eyes for the end. But I'm going in with this Smashbox palette. It's the Holidays Contour and Spotlight palette. It's really pretty. It has a big old mirror and it has a nice set of shades for contouring, highlighting, blushing your face, and contouring. So I'm gonna use it. And I'm going in with this shade right here in the center to contour. Gotta contour that chin. You know, hide that double chin a little. Okay, now let me do a little on my nose. That's pretty much all I do. I think I warmed up my face enough with that. Now let's do a little bit of blush. And I'm going in with this one right here. It's super cute. It's pink, it's shimmery, and it's perfect. And you know what? I think I want to add a little bit of this color right here too. Give me a little more pink. And the highlight I will add at the end. Now let's go with the eyes. I'm gonna use the Life's a Drag palette by Manny MUA. So it looks like this. I'm gonna be using the blues and the red and the white since it's fucking 4th of July. So let's get started. I'm going in with the color Sickening, this one, to just put all over my eyelid as a base color. Okay, now I'm going in with a Cake Face white color, and I'm bringing that in the center of my eyes. I mean, in the inner corner more. Blend a little. Blend and then add. Blend, add, blend, add. Until you're content. Okay, because then I'm gonna go in and add the blue on the outer corner with the fishy right here. And I'm only adding a little bit. That doesn't look like a damn, it's pigmented. A little bit to the outer corner. Ooh, very blue. But I'm liking it. Now I'm adding a little bit of this Kiki right here, like to the top. Just a tiny bit to blend it again. Or try to blend it. Now I'm going in with the black one. It's called Shady, and I'm adding a tiny bit to the watch. Just to the edge to darken it up a little. Okay. Now I'm going to add the shade, actually, yeah, Snatched on the inner corner. It's gonna freaking pop really good. There we go. Let me blend this out with a cleaner brush. Diffuse it. Now I'm going in with this palette right here, the Pure Festival, P-U-R, Pure, I don't know, Festival palette. And I'm taking this little glitter right here and adding it to the middle. Now I'm gonna see how this shit works. Here we go. Yep. Just add some glitter with this little brush from Ipsy. It's a mini flat angled brush. And I'm just dabbing this shit in. Okay. And now I think I'm just gonna add a liner, a wing, and I'll be done. But I'm gonna do that shit off camera, so I'll be back. So I did my wing liner. Now I'm gonna just add mascara. And I'm gonna use, well, the liner I used was from Ciat. This right here, Ciat London, Starstruck. It says it's limited edition. I don't know if it's still out. But anyways, and then I'm using the Maybelline Falsies waterproof mascara. So I'm gonna curl it, put on my lashes, and then I'll be back. Okay, now I'm back with my lashes and my eyes all done. Now I'm just gonna dust off on any powder I had left that was baking. And then apply my highlighter and we'll be done. Okay, now let's see how this highlight does, right? We're gonna put it to the test. And I'm gonna use this one right here. What's it called? I don't know if it's Crank It Up, Champs, or Gold. I don't know, but it's this one right here. Okay, it's a nice cute little shimmer. Ooh. Ooh. That's so pretty. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of the setting spray that I have here. Some of this right here. Actually, where's that foot? I'm adding some of this Max Fix Plus, and it has shimmer in it. So I'm just gonna add a little bit to the brush so my highlight can really pop. Now I'm gonna dip it in again, and ooh, you see the difference? Cause I do. Ooh, okay. Okay, that's becoming very intense. Ah! So when that shit happens, blend that shit out, ladies. You don't want a freaking line on your face. Damn, I'm glazed. Okay. So now the last thing is the lip color. And I'm actually gonna do the Candy K, Kylie Cosmetics lip liner. This right here. In the color, yeah, Candy K. And then I'm using Dominique Cosmetics. I was like, DC, I remember. I'm using the Lemonade Gloss that I got in my BoxyCharm. And look how cute this is gonna look. Oh, and my final touch, which I think is pretty cute, is I'm gonna add a little star because why not? It's fucking the 4th of July. And look, it comes on the back of the liner. Look, it has the regular liner, and then it has like, it has a little star. And this is where I'm gonna add, look how cute. Oh, that's super cute. 1 or 2? I'm gonna just add 1. Or 1 or 2? Ah, I don't know. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna add another one. Ooh, they're cute. They're cute. Finally gonna use that stamp for something. And I'm finishing spray to finish it all off. I look like a damn Chola clown or something. But let's set this shit and see how it looks. Whew. And I like to dab that shit in. And we are done, people. Okay, guys, so this is my final look. What do you guys think? You guys like it? You think it's cool for 4th of July? I think so. I think this is hella cute. So if you like it, hit a thumbs up. Let me know. Comment, whatever, you know. Subscribe if you haven't already, because you know I make these videos every now and then. So if you want to know when I upload them, turn on that little notification that notification so you guys know when I upload anything and can be the first ones to watch, you know, watch all these awesome videos. But yeah, comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz or not. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.